Yeah, sure, thanks. So SMA has always been in the forefront when it comes to adapting to the emerging technologies. For example, we are the first to launch the central inverters of power class more than 2 megawatt back in the time, and we kept upgrading as the block size of the PV plants got bigger. We went up to 4.6 megawatt of power class in a single central inverter. But at the same time, when the industry emerged from just PV to PV plus solar, the same platform was upgraded to with the DC coupling to add batteries. And when the industry started emerging towards storage, and the same platform was adapted for storage. And now the same platform is being adapted for electrolyzer plants as well. So what it means is the platform remains the same, and it keeps getting adjusted or adapted for the emerging trends. That means the latest, which is our electrolyzer converter, is also inheriting the same maturity what was available with the platform that was launched from the times of the PV, just PV alone. So in this way, the platform, when SMA plans a platform, it's always seen with the future adaptability with the evolving technology trend. So as I said, the same platform can do several different set of things. So when it comes to a specific application in a specific region, we in the application engineering, we analyze what is required for that set of requirements and what is optimum for that customer or for that project needs. And we fine tune, or we kind of put together the pieces from these platforms when it comes to hardware or software or licenses, so that it is optimized for that particular or specific needs of the region. When it comes to RE integration, the challenge from the technology side is always the penetration level, which could be for India, it stands at 20 to 30%, but there are other emerging or other countries or other geographies where the penetration level is more than 60 or 70%. And since we are dominantly present in different geographies, we know what is the problem that is happening in those geographies, and in a way that we can anticipate those problems well ahead in advance in India when it comes to India. And one of the reasons when it comes to going from 20 to 30% RE penetration all the way to 60 or 70 is the problems with the grid stability that what those regions are facing and what we can anticipate in India. And this is something we need to learn from where the lessons have been already learned, and we need to adapt them or apply those learnings well in advance for India. So the challenge is what I just said. It is the geographies that have adapted solar at a far more higher level than India. The problems what they are facing. So we are aware of these problems. That also means that we have developed solutions in those geographies to mitigate those problems, and we have a deep expertise when it comes to handling such problems, and we are in a well position to bring those learnings or technology developments in India, and make our systems or our RE plants future proof or resilient to the future problems what we can anticipate. So this is a big depth of expertise that the SMA can offer when it comes to challenges what we can anticipate for India.